Example sum 6.16. Prove that 1 plus cot A plus tan A into sin A minus cos A divided by secant cube A minus cosecant cube A is equal to, we have to prove that sin square A into cos square A. Let me take the LHS side. The LHS side is equal to, see, 1 plus cot A, 1 plus, the cot can be written in the form of cos A divided by sin A plus tan can be written in the form of sin A divided by cos A into sin A minus cos A, because in RHS side we have to prove that sin and cos only. So I change all the biggest ratio to the smallest one, it is sin and cos, divide by here secant cube A minus cosecant cube A. It is in the form of A cube minus B cube is equal to, so we have the formula A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So the denominator terms we are going to write in this format. So A minus B means in the place of A is secant A, in the place of B is cosecant. So here we have secant A minus cosecant A into A square means secant square A, right? Plus A into B, secant A, cosecant A, plus B square, B is cosecant, so cosecant square A. So this is the numerator and denominator first term. For the numerator term, here I am going to take LCM. This term is equal to, this is the denominator. If I take the LCM as sin A cos A, that term, it is a sin A cos A as the LCM means that sin A cos A should be multiple each and every term. So here we have sin A cos A plus, if I multiple with sin A cos A means sin A is cancelled, so we get cos square A. Here also we multiple sin A cos A means cos will be cancelled, so sin into sin square A into, it is in the multiplication, right, sin A minus cos A divide by, here I put the secant A minus cosecant A as it is, and then secant square A is nothing but 1 by reciprocal of cos square A, plus here we have the reciprocal 1 divided by cos square, here we have reciprocal cos A, 1 by sin A is nothing but 1 divided by cos A sin A, plus here we have reciprocal of cosecant is sin, so 1 by sin square A. See, next step, in the numerator cos theta plus sin theta is equal to value 1, so here we have sin A cos A plus 1, and then here we have sin A minus cos A, right? The denominator is, here we have, I take the denominator as sin A minus cos A divided by sin A into cos A, right? It is in the product form, so I take the denominator to this term. Next, the denominator term is secant A minus cosecant A into, here I am going to take the LCM again. If you take LCM as cos square theta sin square, cos square A and then sin square A or sin square A into cos square A. If you take that sin square cos square means each and every term should be multiple the term with the sin and cos. See, like this, 1 by cos square A is multiple with sin square A cos square A. Here cos square cancel means we have only sin square A, plus here if you multiple the term, there is already have cos A sin A LCM means that term should be multiple with each and every terms. So cos cancel, sin cancel means sin A plus cos, sin A into cos A. Plus here we have 1 by sin square A into sin square A, cos square A means sin square cancel, 1 into cos square is cos square A. And then next, in the numerator we have sin A cos A plus 1. Here I am going to split the terms, that is sin A divided by sin A cos A. So the denominator is common to both the numerator, so I separate the numerator as it is to the denominator, sin A cos A whole divided by, here we have secant A minus cosecant A, and then this term sin square A plus cos square is equal to value 1. So sin A cos A plus 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1, right? Here we have sin A plus cos A is equal to value 1 divided by sin square A cos square A. See, the denominator of denominator turns to numerator, right? Here we have sin cancel, we get 1 by cos. Here cos cancel, we get 1 by sin. So this term is cancelled and this term is cancelled, right? So the denominator of denominator turns to numerator, so we get here sin square A cos square A divided by 1 by cos is nothing but secant A minus 1 divided by sin is nothing but cosecant A. And then here we have the denominator cosecant A minus secant A minus cosecant A into 1 is nothing but 1. So this term is cancelled. So this term is equal to sin square A cos square A equal to RHS side. Hence proved. Thank you, students.